What does a dog's frequent yawning tell you? Dogs yawn a lot, not just because they're sleepy. According to veterinary experts, frequent yawning can be a sign of stress, anxiety, or discomfort in the living environment. When encountering strange situations, being yelled at, or in crowded places, dogs often yearn to relieve psychological pressure. In addition, yawning can also be a communication behavior showing comfort or wanting to avoid conflict. If your dog's yawning is accompanied by signs such as trembling, avoiding, or licking its lips, you should review the environment and interaction. In rare cases, yawning is also related to health problems that need to be checked out soon.